Hello viewers, in this video I will compare the display of OnePlus Pad Lite with Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. There is a huge price gap between OnePlus Pad Lite and Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, so it is unfair to compare the display, but the main purpose of this video is to give you an idea how the display of these two devices perform in real life. Side by side, the display of OnePlus Pad Lite seems to be little bit muted. It seems to be little bit contrasty. I thought it might be for the wallpaper, then I changed the theme and wallpaper, and yet after that I felt that there is some black contrast in the screen. On the other hand, Tab S9 FE Plus has a better screen. Then I played the same video that I have taken with my Android smartphone, and I played both the videos on both the devices. Though on camera it seems to be better on OnePlus Pad Lite because the contrast and the graininess is better on OnePlus Pad Lite, but I can tell you that it looks better on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Tab S9 FE Plus comes with a bigger and better screen. After that, I tested the same video on OnePlus Pad Lite and Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. After that, I set the resolution to 1080p 60 fps on both the devices. OnePlus Pad Lite doesn't support HDR video. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus supports HDR video. In YouTube, you can see that OnePlus Pad Lite has a brighter screen. On the other hand, the display on Tab S9 FE Plus has a cooler tone and little bit contrasty color. But in naked eyes, I like the display of Tab S9 FE Plus more because both the devices are playing 1080p 60 fps, but there is some smoothness in the display of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, whereas on OnePlus Pad Lite I can see some grainy or blurry images while playing 1080p 60 fps videos. But if you are using only Pad Lite, in that case you cannot notice this unless you compare it side by side with any high-end or any mid-range tablet. And at the price point of OnePlus Pad Lite, you will get similar kinds of display in all brands. So there is nothing to complain about. It is a fact that once you have used any high-end tablets, in that case you can feel the difference while using any budget tablet. So ultimately, in the conclusion, the display of OnePlus Pad Lite is good enough as per the price point, but it cannot beat in display department tablets like Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus or Apple iPad 10th generation. I have made many videos on OnePlus Pad Lite, so if you are interested to watch the unboxing, review or features of OnePlus Pad Lite, you can watch those videos. Links will be in the descriptions below. If you have any questions regarding any tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. The only condition is you have to like the video and then ask your question, and I will answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.